All right, corresponding angles. All right, we start here again with the transversal being very important. It's the line that intersects two or more other lines. All right, and from there, corresponding, well, transversal is kind of important in this one. It's not as obvious as like alternate interior, alternate exterior, but corresponding means basically that they're in corresponding positions, same position. Okay, so if we look at each one of these intersections here as having, say, 4 different positions, one would be the top left corner, one would be the top right corner, one would be the bottom or lower left corner, and one would be the lower right corner. Okay, so we have 4 positions there. Well, remember, these angle relationships have to occur between the 2 different intersections. In other words, one angle is going to come from that top intersection, and the other angle is going to be coming from the bottom intersection. Okay, so let's say I pick angle 1 up here at the top. I'm going to highlight angle 1. For it to be a corresponding angle relationship, it has to first of all be connected by a transversal here, and the 2 intersections are connected by this transversal. And the second thing is that they both have to be in corresponding positions. So if we look at one's in the upper left-hand corner. Look down here at that bottom intersection. 5 is in the upper left-hand corner of that intersection. Okay, they both share a transversal in blue, and they're in 2 different intersections. So this is good. Those are corresponding angles. And there's other examples on here. So we could look, angle 2 is in the upper right-hand corner, and so is angle 6 down in its intersection. Angle 3 is in the lower left-hand corner, 7 is in its lower left-hand corner, and then last, 4 is in the lower right-hand corner, and 8 is in the lower right-hand corner. So those are all the different corresponding angles pairs that are occurring here.